If your banana peels end up in the trash, you're missing out. If your windowsill's empty, it could be a compost goldmine. If you think composting is messy, think again. Alright, let's turn your food waste into plant power. No backyard required. First things first, choose your composting method. For apartments, 2 easy options are bokashi bins or worm composting. Yep, worms. Both are odor-free when done right, and they fit under your sink or on a balcony. Got your bin? Cool. Next, start collecting your greens and browns. Greens are things like fruit peels, coffee grounds, and veggie scraps. Browns are shredded paper, dry leaves, or even old napkins. Balance is key. Aim for about half and half. Too many greens and it might get stinky, too many browns and it dries out. Every time you add food scraps, toss in some browns and give it a gentle mix. For bokashi, just sprinkle in the starter mix. For worms, bury the scraps under bedding. Keep your bin slightly moist, like a wrung-out sponge, not soggy. Worried about pests or smells? Relax. A well-managed bin won't attract bugs or stink up your place. If you notice a funk, add more browns and check the moisture. In a few weeks to a couple months, you'll have rich, crumbly compost. Use it for your houseplants or community garden. Congrats, you're reducing waste and growing green, right from your apartment. So what are you waiting for? Start composting and turn your trash into treasure, city style.